Hello Internet. Yesterday, my Radeon HD 6870 fan decided to just die. And as we can see, it doesn't really spin that well. So I decided to remove it and either fix the fan or replace it with something else. Now the fan itself comes out nicely, but the wiring is a little bit more tricky. You need to go at it from the back of the graphics card. I used angled tweezers to get at the wiring. Previously, I have been able to fix graphic card fans by just dropping some silicone oil into the fan from the back of the fan. But in this case, the back of the fan has been blocked, so it's impossible to do that. So instead of repairing the old fan, I'm going to have to replace it. Here's our substitute fan, which is going to be attached with zip ties. And now for the final tightening and trimming of the excess zip tie. And we're done.